Hi, I'm Natasha,
And I'm Dawn.
and we're from Lioness Magazine.
And you can visit us at lionessmagazine.com.
We give women the latest news, tools, and resources to launch startups or scale them. Thanks to being a member of Cambridge Entrepreneur Academy, I was able to learn about the 4 point triangle, which I knew nothing about. When we launched Lioness, I didn't have a team. Now I do. And I was unsure of how to put a team together and pay everyone. The 4 point triangle explained how you establish and allocate equity. And thanks to them, we are moving forward and taking our business to the next level.
And we had the opportunity to sit down with Michael a few days ago and do a one-on-one. And I have to say, it blew our minds. The amount of actionable information that he gave us just with in an hour meeting was crazy. I was taking so many notes, and then I went home and implemented a lot of the strategies he gave us instantly, and we're already seeing results. So it's just been amazing, and we can't wait to see what else we're going to do and where our business is going to go with the academy.
Thank you, Cambridge.